Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing some few recap of analysis of trade we entered during our last week period. I received a question for one of our viewers. He told me I should make a video of how I do enter my trade. So this week, I think I entered about 3 or 4 trades, which I'm gonna be breaking down on this channel, how I entered the trades and what was the result when we entered the trade. All right. So as you can see, we already have the EOJP on the screen. So what was the idea of entering the trades in this market? As you all know on this channel, we have a very simple way of identifying the trend to know which direction the market is moving. Because we as a trader, if you don't know where the market direction, you're not going to know where you can be buying, where you can be selling. So these are a clear definition of identifying the trend. We want to see the market making a 1 to 3 move. This was the uptrend. Once we get this 1 to 3 move, we know we identify this place as our area of value. So whatever going to come inside this zone, we're going to be looking to place our buy, or the same is good again for the market that's in a downtrend. Whenever the price break below this previous low, we identify our zone, we wait for the market to come into this area of value, and then we wait for a confirmation, and then we sell. So this is just the basic explanation of how we identify a trend, so we can know our direction, whether we can be buying, whether we can be selling. So this was the idea behind the trade. So as you can see, this is EOJPY. As you can see, we get a price action, we get this double top here before the market was in an uptrend. Once we get this price action pattern, as you can see the double top, and then price wanted to break below. So automatically I know that we're in a downtrend. So what was my bias on this pair? So this is what I was waiting. I was waiting for price to come into the zone. As you can see on the screen, when price wanted to break below, I know automatically we're now in a downtrend. I wait for the market to pull back. And then when the market give me this first move, actually I did not enter the trade. I was because of the price to come right to my resistance. So when I get this second confirmation, as you can see, this is not a double top. Once I get this confirmation, this is where I'll sell my take profit right above this low. I think it was about 40 pips. So this is where I put my stop loss. And then I think about almost a day, price had to break below this area. So I closed my trade around this previous low. But as you can see, price went past all the way down. My risk was 40 pips. I made about 100 something pips on this trade. So this is how easy I try to identify my entry, try to identify where I can be buying, where I can be selling. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple, no complication. I normally trade pure price action. So these are the first pair I enter. And also the same entry was for CADJPY as well. As you can see again, my risk calculator tool is already there, but the entry was not here. So what was the idea behind the trade? The same rules. This was my channel I put. The same rule is the price break past below this low. So my entry was inside the zone as well. When price pulled back, my stop was right above here. As you can see where the take profit tool was there. Here was my stop loss. I wait for the pullback and then I sold from here. Also, my risk here was about 30-something pips, and then I make about 70 pips on this trade. So my risk was 1 to 2, but as you can see, price when I enter back again, which I'm going to be waiting for on Tuesday because Monday is a holiday. So I'm going to wait on Tuesday to see price reaction on this level because this is our zone we are looking for trade. So if I see this information on Tuesday, I'm going to be looking to sell. So I already give you my recap of what's going to happen next week. So this was the number 2 trade I entered. Another trade I entered was ADJPY. All right. So when I go past to the pairs, as you can see, ADJPY was the same as the rest of the trade I entered. So what I'm trying to say on this channel, there is no special way or there's no special thing we do to enter a trade. We just wait for what we teach here. We wait for the confirmation and then we enter the trade. So this is my entry. As you can see, all the trades, my take profit tools are there. It's not a cherry pick. I'm going to put a screenshot of my profits, I think on the left or right side of the video, or maybe on the thumbnail of this video. So this was the idea behind ADJPY. Okay, so as you can see, price was in a heavy uptrend. Price finally break below this previous low, and then we get this slight consolidation. This is like a wedge pattern. And then what I did, I wait for price to break below this past the wedge. The pullback came here, so my stop loss was right above here, and then my entry was here. So this was up to 80-something pips as well. So my risk here was about 20. This was the lowest risk to reward I entered on this trade. My risk was about 20-something risk to reward ratio. So once I entered the trade, you can see my commission was everything was there, and then the market went back. So as you can see, price action came back into this area. So we're going to see what's going to happen on Tuesday. We're going to enter our trade. So what I'm trying to say is that on this channel, there is no special way, like there is no special thing we do. We don't do like wait for indicators to oversold, overbought. We don't wait for for price to break below this certain area, or when the price go up or buy when the price come down. We say no. There are some rules in place. One thing that make you successful traders, you need to have the rules. Once you have those rules in place, once you have those plan, trust me, trading gonna be more easy for you. Some people just try to complicate themselves in the market, because this is one thing I realized for beginners traders. Some people just come in the market, they don't know what they're supposed to be doing, they don't know what they're supposed to be buying, what they're supposed to be selling. So it's all about you having that simple plans, that simple trading plans. Okay, you can say, okay, when the price break below this my area, this my support area, I'll be looking to buy. When price break below this, I'll be looking to sell. You just need to have these rules also. And as you can see, all the trade analyzed on the screen was very, 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 very easy to explain. I trade is one of the most difficult journey. I'm not gonna lie. But if you have a rules, if you have a plan, if you have a strategy in place, it's gonna be easy for you. I'm not gonna say trade is easy because I got those few in the trades. No, you need to put the work in place. You need to have some plans. You need to have some rules. You need to put some discipline as well, and a good risk management. So as you can see, all the trades I enter, my risk is very low, because this is one thing that's gonna keep us in this market. If you have a low risk to reward ratio, you're not gonna be a profitable, you're not gonna be a losing trader. But some people enter the trade with a very high risk reward. You see, I end up with three different trades here. But some people come and enter on this trade, will enter like 5%, other trade 5%. But because what if the trade go against you? Are you gonna survive in the game? No, because you have over leverage. You have taken a huge loss. You have taken a huge loss on the trades, and then obviously it's not going to have the imbalance to continue trading. So what I'm trying to say is that if you have a small balance based drawdown, just try to look for a good risk management. Try to have, like, maybe you can say, okay, I want to risk like 1% on my trades. Okay, I want to risk 2%, please. But don't go more than 2%. I've seen this many traders. People just enter the market just buy one lot size, two lot size. They don't even know how much is the risk. This is one of the reasons could be you're not successful, or this is one of the reasons could be you're not seeing a result. Because if you risk 1%, one lot size on this trade, the next trade you risk two lot size, another trade you risk five lot size. It's not a consistent. But if you have a good risk management calculation tools, you have a good risk in place. If you have a 5 losing streaks out of 10, you're still gonna be profitable because it's 50% accuracy. I used to tell my traders, you don't need to be 100% accurate to make money in this business. You don't need to be 99%. No, if it's 50%, you still make money. You still make money. I'm gonna be making a video as well about that, which I'm gonna be explaining. If you have 50 or 40% correct, you can still be profitable. Trust me, yes, you can if you have a good risk management in place. Because people look for the holy grail. People look for, I need to be winning all my trades. You don't need to be winning all your trades. You don't need to be having good win strike. Because even me myself, that there are some trades I will take a loss on one or two trades, but maybe if I enter my next trades, I'm gonna recover from those drawdown, and then another trade is gonna lead me into my profitable weeks. So I think we need to have those weeks in place. We need to have those plans. Once we can do that, trust me, we're going to be seeing a good result in our trading. So that is all for now in this video. I hope this video helped. I wish you a happy trading. I'm going to be doing a trade breakdown video out of Tuesday. I wish you a happy trading. Happy Easter, everyone. Good luck in your trading.